There are no obstacles. There's no barriers for you to be able to paint correct your car. Traditionally, when it came to polishing or paint correcting your car, you had to get all your stuff set up. You need to get your polisher, plug it into the outlet, and then when you're doing your process, you have to manage the cords. Not anymore. With Adams Polish's Cordless 15mm polisher, you don't even have a cord. The cord's gone. It is battery powered, but it still provides the same performance that you get from all the other corded polishers that we offer. Convenience is the factor when it comes to the cordless polisher. Now, this is a 15mm dual action orbital polisher, so it's not a rotary buffer. It has a 5-inch backing plate, which fits the 5.5-inch polishing or compounding pads, but essentially it comes in the same body style as the other 15mm polishers that Adams Polishes offers. With the battery here at the back of the polisher, it makes the machine perfectly balanced, which makes it easier to maneuver and do your paint correction job. Now, the Cordless 15mm polisher comes with two 5 amp-hour batteries, and each one of them are gonna run from approximately 45 minutes to 60 minutes, so an hour. So essentially with the two batteries, you can roughly get an hour and a half to 2 hours of polishing between the two batteries, but they come on a fast charger. So it takes approximately 15-20 minutes for the batteries to charge. So while you're doing your paint correction process with one battery, the other one's charging, and then you can swap them out and keep going. Now, the batteries also come with overcharge protection. So what that means is once they're fully charged, the charger will actually turn off so you don't risk damaging the batteries or them overheating. Now, the Cordless 15mm polisher runs between 2,000 and 5,000 oscillations per minute. And with the 15mm throw or the orbit, it makes it super effective at correcting your paint, giving you a perfect finish when you do the compounding and polishing paint correction steps. Now, like all the other polishers we sell, it has the speed dial on top here. So it goes from speed 1 to speed 6, and it has your standard trigger here, plus the lock button. So when I turn this on, I can push the button and it locks it in. So it will just run automatically or run continuously as you use it. Then when you pull the trigger, it will turn off. So essentially you get everything that's great about our current corded polishers at Adams Polishes, but you cut the cord. Let's say that you pull up to a car show and you want to do some paint correction on your car before the show starts. Boom, cordless polisher ready to go. If you're a mobile detailer and you want to do paint corrections and you don't want to be confined to a shop or a place where you need power, the cordless polisher can allow you to polish any car anywhere. You could go out in the parking garage and polish your car on your lunch break. The other place that this is going to be very useful is at apartments or condos where you don't have a garage. You don't have a place where you can do it. Find some shade, take the cordless polisher with you, and now you can paint correct your car anywhere. Now there's three options to purchase the 15mm cordless polisher. You can get the unit only, which comes with the machine polisher. It comes with an extra battery, and it comes with the charger here. Now, you can also get it with the basic kit, which comes with pretty much everything you see here with the exception of the towels. So compound polish, one of each pad with the microfiber blue foam, white foam, and a pad conditioning brush. And you can also get it in the complete kit, which comes with pretty much everything you see here, some towels, some towel and pad revitalizer, so you can clean your towels and your pads after you're done doing the paint correction. Plus it comes with a nice polisher bag, which holds all the products all in one nice canvas bag. So if you're somebody that's looking to paint correct your car, but maybe you don't have access to a garage or a power source like an outlet, now with the 15mm cordless polisher, there are no obstacles. There's no barriers for you to be able to paint correct your car. So you can take this thing anywhere, anytime, even take it on a road trip with yourself. Your car's gonna look shinier than everybody else's car, and we know you're gonna love it.